Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? I hope you also fine. It's me Ms. Ramsha from the Educator for Class campus. Today's subject is science. Raise your hand for dua. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir tammim bil khair. Ameen. Oh wow, look at behind me. What are these? These are fishes. Octopus, snail, turtle are also here. Oh, we forgot this beautiful starfish. These all are sea animals.
Plant see beta A.
This is a very beautiful plant. And what are these? These are birds. And we are human beings. Class, which I have shown you, these are living things. How can we say that these are living things? Because this is a small fish and now bigger fish. Now it's bigger fish. Oh, what is octopus doing? Octopus want to eat. I am also very hungry. I want to eat. All living things grow in size and need food. Class, take a deep breath with me. All living things need air. It's very hot. I am feeling thirsty. I am going to drink water. All living things need water. Fishes are swimming, means they are moving. I am walking, means I am moving. All living things can move. I have told you about the characteristics all living things. What is this? This is doll and this is marker. Does it need water? No. Does it need air? No. Does it need food? No. Does it grow? No. Because these are non-living things.
It's your science book, book 1. Today we are going to learn unit number 2, living thing and non-living thing. Here we will write the date. Date 1st June 2021 and it's the video lesson. What is living thing? The page number 24. Living things are things that are alive, just like girl, kitchen and plant. What living thing can you find in the photograph? Here many things. Trees. Tree is also living thing. Here the 3 boys, all boys are the living thing. 2 horses, horses also the living thing. And grass, grass is also living thing. Here are some examples of the living things. With bat, monkey and hornbill, snake, owl. These all are the living thing of some examples more. Now the page number 28. What living thing need? Living thing need air and water. Without air and water, living things cannot survive. So the plants and animals both need water and air. Living thing need food. All living things, rather than it's the human, animals and plant. All living things need food. Now page number 30. Living thing can move. The bird is flying. The bird is flying. The bird is flying. It means the bird is moving. Fishes is swimming. Fishes are swimming. So it means the fishes are moving in the water. Mimosa leaf. Mimosa leaf is also called the touch me not. When you touch, they close their leaves, just like and after the few minutes it's also open. Kangaroo is jumping, horse is running, both are moving. Now page number 32, living things grow. Here it's a baby. Now it's the baby is growing and it's become the adult. So living thing can grow easily. Now it is the young plant and it is the adult. Now the new plants become the big tree. So the tree is also growing. That's why the plant is also the living thing. On the page number 34, living things have young. Many plants have seed. And what will happen when we bury the seed into the soil and the seed grow into the new plant? So the living thing has their babies or young one. Here is the calf and calf grow into the cow. So the all living things has their young ones or babies. Here the young baby and adult is the chick and is become the chicken. In page number 36, what is non-living thing? We have learnt about the living thing, but in this page we are going to learn about the non-living thing. Non-living things are not alive. Look at these things. They don't need air, food and water, as well as they cannot move by themselves. Non-living things do not grow. Look at this pencil. When I keep the pencil 1 year, they will not increase in the size. So the all living things cannot grow, or the all living things don't have their young one or their babies. Now class, the chapter is end. Page number 38. Here, quick quiz. Again you will write the date and visual lesson. What do living thing needs? What they need? Water, air and food. Is it a living thing or non-living thing? Here you will write down the living thing or non-living thing. It's the monkey. Monkey is the living thing. Balloon, non-living thing. It's the toy duck. Toy duck, toys, all toys is non-living thing. And it's the leaves. The all leaves is living thing. Class, your science activity book 1. Open the page number 24. Activity number 16. Write down the date. 1st June 2021 and it's your homework. What are living things? Circle the living thing and cross out the non-living thing. Here are some pictures. What you will do when you will find out the living thing, you have to make the circle around it and cross out the non-living thing. What are the non-living things? Where you find out the non-living things, you have to cross it. Complete this page and now turn the page number 25. Activity 2. Walk around your school compound with your friends. Find out the living things and non-living things. When you go out in the school and visit the school, and here the 2 columns, here you will write down the living thing which you find, and here you will write down the non-living thing. Living things, teacher, students, birds and the other thing, and non-living thing in your class, chairs, whiteboard, your bags, pencil and etc. Complete the sentence. Living things are things that are what? That are alive. Here you will write down the alive. Number 4. What do living things need? List them the below. What the living thing needs? Living thing needs water, air and food. Class, it's your homework. I hope you understand very easily.
Notice your homework, science book, activity book, do page number 24, 25. Take care. Allah Hafiz.